The crypto market in 2025 is changing fast. New trends, major predictions, and where the big money is heading. Let's break it down. Stay till the end for expert insights. First up, Bitcoin halving in April 2024. Historically, BTC surges after each halving. Will 2025 bring a new all-time high of $100,000 or more? Experts think so. History says yes. Ethereum is evolving. With ETH 2.0 fully rolled out, gas fees drop, and Layer 2 solutions explode. Will Ethereum flip Bitcoin in 2025? Some analysts believe it's possible. BlackRock, Fidelity, and major institutions are betting big on crypto. ETFs are making it easier for mainstream investors to jump in. More demand equals higher prices. Crypto isn't just about trading anymore. Web3, AI, and blockchain-based gaming are revolutionizing industries. Expect AI and crypto projects to dominate in 2025. But it's not all moonshots. Governments are cracking down on crypto. New regulations in the US, EU, and Asia could impact adoption. Stay informed. So, will 2025 be a bull run or a crash? Let's hear your predictions in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto updates.